In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server quickly and easily, whether you're using Discord on your PC in a browser or the Discord desktop app. This is a simple process, but if you're brand new to Discord, it helps to know exactly where to click so you can get into a server without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC or launch the Discord desktop app. Once Discord opens, sign in to your Discord account if you aren't already logged in. You'll need to be signed in before you can join any server, so take a moment to enter your email, username, and password if prompted. After you're signed in, the next thing you need is a Discord server invite link or invite code. This is the link or code that someone sends you when they want to invite you to a specific server. It may come from a friend, a website, a community page, or a message. Once you have the invite link or the invite code, click the invite link directly if it's clickable, or copy it if you need to paste it manually into Discord. Now go back to Discord and look at the left sidebar. You'll see a plus icon there, which is used to add or join servers. Click the plus icon to open the server options. From the menu that appears, click Join a Server. This is the option you want when you already have an invite link or code and want to enter a server directly. A box will appear asking you to paste the invite. Click inside that box and paste the invite link or the invite code you copied earlier. Make sure the full code is entered correctly, because even a small typo can stop the invite from working. After you paste it in, take one more quick look to confirm it's the right server invite. Then click Join Server. Discord will process the invite, and if the link is valid and the server is open to you, you'll be added to the server right away. Once you're in, you can start reading the rules, introducing yourself, and exploring the channels. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to join a Discord server in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.